More than a century after Charles Bryant started developing tubular boilers for the heating industry, his company has snowballed into a beacon of indoor comfort through hard work, integrity, and dedication to doing whatever it takes to deliver trusted comfort to homeowners across North America. With our dealers top of mind, we took a system-wide approach to the required minimum efficiency increase for 2023 and delivered a streamlined family of lighter, smarter, and more serviceable products. How did we do it? By adding Wi-Fi system updates and Bluetooth connectivity to our Deluxe Evolution outdoor units for tool-free troubleshooting. By boosting our preferred series models with industry-leading IntelliSense technology for remote diagnostics and more efficient service calls at the mid-tier level. And by keeping 100% of our minimum efficiency legacy line air conditioners on a 31-inch basepan or smaller. The key to that 31-inch outdoor footprint is actually found inside, with our groundbreaking evaporator coil featuring Vertex technology. This benefit-rich, V-shaped indoor coil offers better condensate management, easier TXV access, reduced coil weight, access from all sides for easier cleaning, and increased overall system efficiency. Need more? How about faster installation and setup with NFC-capable control boards on our gas furnaces, factory-fitted metal plugs instead of perforated knockouts, or standard filter sizes for our fan coils? Topping it off, we are making service calls easier and more efficient by continuing to expand our portfolio of digital tools like the Bryant Service Tech app. We are Bryant, the hardest working name in comfort, where integrity and dedication drive our industry leadership, where we never lose sight of making a positive impact for our homeowner customers, and giving our nationwide network of outstanding Bryant dealer representatives like you every opportunity to succeed. Bryant, whatever it takes.